Guys, what's going on? I am here to do a unboxing video for you guys. I did jump on the bandwagon, the Marc Jacobs bandwagon of the tote bag, and I have purchased one. Well, I ain't gonna say one, a few, but this is one of the bags that I got. I actually purchased this bag from Bloomingdale's while I was just scrolling late one night, and saw the bag and I decided to get it. So let me show you guys what I got. And I have already opened the bag, as you will be able to see, but here it is. And it came just like this, except for I put that on there, but it came just like this in this bag. And I think it was a return, and I was fine with that because it still had all the original, the handles and stuff were still wrapped, and so I was glad about that. But here's the bag, and this is the mini denim. And like I said, I was on Bloomingdale's late one night, well, early morning, scrolling, and this became available because this is sold out everywhere. You can't find this bag unless you find somebody, you know, selling on another site or whatever. But I end up snatching this bag up and I got it, and it is really nice, super duper cute. And they also have this one in the black denim also, but if I'm not mistaken, the mini is sold out on his site also. So all I got to say is just keep on looking or whatever, and it may pop back up or whatever. So anyway, here's the front of it. You know, here's the side, there's the back, there's the other side, and then here is the bottom. And like I said, I put this on here, and this is actually a brooch from Hobby Lobby, the little lips, and they had all different kinds. And you know, Marc Jacobs has the patches or whatever, but the lip patches was, I don't know, I ain't gonna say lips, but the mouth or whatever, it keeps being sold out. And so I had wanted to get that, but then I was like, no, I'll just get this, so that way it's not a permanent thing or whatever, just in case I want to switch it out. So I just bought the little brooch, and it's a little pin, and I just stuck that on there. And they come in the different varieties of different things or whatever, so I just got that because I thought that was cute. So let's go into the inside of the bag. This is what it looked like in the inside. It just came with the card and stuff. And then here are the straps. The straps are still wrapped up. And then here's the inside, just a black inside with no pockets or anything like that. And it's a pretty structured bag or whatever. It's not flimsy or anything like that. And I did purchase a insert off of eBay, and so we can put that in the inside, because like I said, it doesn't have any pockets. So I got that for the inside, and just stick that, you know, in there. Of course these are sticking out, but I think eventually it all get it together. And then it came with this inside part too of the insert that velcros in the middle if you want to put that in there, just to put like probably some change or something like that, or whatever you want to put in there that you don't want anybody seeing. You can put that in there. But here is the insert, and like I said, I did purchase it off of eBay, and the insert is a size small or whatever, so it fits enough. And it does have this zipper, so you can also zip it up if you would like. So I thought that was cute. But yeah, y'all, that is that. Where are my scissors? Cut that off of there. And this bag does come in, I think just mini and small, if I'm not mistaken. It may come in a large, I'm not sure. I am not sure, so don't quote me on that. And y'all, here are the straps. I'm not going to undo it, but it's just a navy blue strap with the silver hardware, and then has like the leather luggage color right here, and you'll just attach that to there. But I more than likely will wear it, you know, holding the straps, I mean the handles or whatever. And you can always get you another set of straps to go with that. So like I said, I have the brooch on here. You can also add you a puff ball if you would like. And I do have a puff ball over here, because y'all know I love my puffs. but you can add a little cute little puff ball. And I actually got this from Hobby Lobby as well, and it's just a cute little thingy. Now I think it'll look better without that on there, but you know, just a little puff, you know, just to add a little razzle dazzle. So I thought that was cute. And let me just show you guys what all can possibly fit inside of this bag. So let me do that really fast for you guys. Let me take the insert out. So I have a full bottle of Nivea lotion, so you can place that inside of there. I have a full body spray that can go inside of there. I have this Bloomingdale's cosmetic case that can fit inside of there. I have the Bath and Body Works lotion that can go inside. I have a regular Bath and Body Works lotion that can go inside. Not that I would have all this stuff in here, just showing you guys what it fit. So let me take that out. Then I have some fabric sanitizer. You can stick that in there. Y'all, I have this cute little Febreze, this little mini Febreze that can go in there for whatever reason. I'm just, y'all know, just showing. And I got this little bitty thing from a store called Ollie's. It came in a it actually came in a 2-pack or whatever. I thought that was so cute. I had to get that because I've never seen a mini Febreze. But anyway, I have a large can of Pringles that fits in there. Have a big thing of wipes, you know, that fit in there if you're a mother, or you don't have to be a mother to carry wipes. Okay, so I have this classic size Happy Planner. I don't know if it'll fit or not. I haven't tried, but I'm gonna see. It fits, but you know, it'll be sticking out a little bit, but it does fit. And then I have the mini one, of course, and that fits, because I know a lot of you guys plan. And then I have the Jane Agenda. Now this isn't her cover. I forgot what size this is or whatever, but I bought this cover from Office Depot. So just to give you an idea, it will fit. It will fit. So if you was to purchase her cover, just know that it will fit inside of there. And then of course I have this itty bitty one, and y'all know that'll fit. So I also have a full-size wallet. You know, that'll fit with no problem. So let's stick the wallet in there. Let's do the cosmetic case. Let's do some body spray. And let's do a lotion. So all of that fits. And then you still have room for some. And it's not that heavy. It's not that bad. So just wanted to show you guys that, and show you guys my new little cute little bag. And I think I'm gonna go back to Hobby Lobby and buy me a couple of more different kind of brooches or whatever, because they had a real cute giraffe one. They had a parrot, and then they had a it was a peacock. They had a real pretty peacock one. So I might go back and get me a few more, so that I can put that on there. And then also, you know, have a little pink puff. That'll be cute. You know, I can stick that over there, or either I can, you know, hook it on to the side some kind of a way. But I think that'll be super cute, because y'all know I loves me a puff. But oh, let me show you guys the handle. I'm not going to take this off because I'm not going to carry it just yet, but this is what the handles look like. Just that. Super duper cute. And I just wanted to show you guys my little denim tote. And like I said, this is the mini. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.